The Huawei Watch GT3 is Huawei's latest smartwatch that offers a more budget-friendly price tag while keeping it premium. Matter of fact, the Huawei Watch GT3 has a similar design with their flagship Huawei Watch 3 Pro, just without cellular functions. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 37. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Let's have a quick unboxing and check what's inside this box. There are a total of two variants, 42mm and 46mm. The one I have here is what Huawei call Active Editions, black case with a black rubber straps. There's also a classic edition, silver case with brown leather straps. Inside the box is the Huawei Watch GT3, followed by a document and a wireless charging cradles. It now supports standard Qi wireless charging instead of Poco pins that used on the Huawei Watch GT2. As mentioned earlier, the designs are similar to the Huawei Watch 3 Pro, featuring a rotatable crown that allows you to adjust the app size as well as scrollings. This reduces blocking the display views and touches to the display. The lower button is customizable to launch any applications that you want. By default, it will launch Workout. The loudspeaker is located on the right side and surrounded by microphones. You can use this watch to pick up calls as well as listen to music. The strap is interchangeable with any standard 22mm watch straps and is 5 ATM rated water resistance, so there isn't any issue bringing the watch for showers or even swim. The Huawei Watch GT3 46mm sport a 1.43-inch AMOLED touch display with 466 by 466 resolutions. It's one bright, brilliant and sharp smartwatch displays that I ever reviewed. The new HarmonyOS doesn't revamp much in terms of UX compared to Huawei LiteOS, but it does feel smoother and lighter. Coming to watch face, the preloaded looks stylish and modern. There are more than hundreds to choose from through the Huawei app gallery. The only drawback, there isn't any customizations of the watch face unlike the Google Wear OS. Like any other smartwatch, it will notify you when there are notifications coming from your phone. But the Huawei Watch GT3 shows static notifications only, where we can't respond or interact like a quick reply. In terms of health and fitness trackings, Huawei has upgraded the heart rate monitor, which increases the number of light signal receivers and a curved back to fit more closely against our skin. This benefits a more accurate readings like heart rate and SpO2 monitoring. The watch also features something new to the smartwatch world, which is the skin temperature sensor. This is something useful, especially during a pandemic days like now. It may not be very accurate, but at least you would aware if there's such a spike in our body temperature caused by fever. It is also a great fitness tracker with over 100 workout trackings and GPS if you need them for workout road tracking. What setbacks other smartwatches to compete for the Huawei Watch GT3s are the designs and the battery life. The Huawei Watch GT3 designed like a real premium branded watch. The build quality has never disappointed me since first Huawei Watch GT. Besides that, the battery life is remarkable. Based on my real-world test, the Watch GT3 lasted me 10 days with always on display enabled, continuous heart rate monitorings and sleep trackings. There isn't any full-fledged smartwatch out there that comes close in terms of battery life. If you are interested to get one of these, check the link in the description box below on the pricings and where to buy. That's all for now on the new Huawei Watch GT3. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Do give me a thumbs up if you like these videos, or consider subscribing if you enjoy short tech reviews like this. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.